Chemicals are used frequently in the workplace for tasks such as manufacturing, maintenance, and cleaning. The employer has the responsibility to communicate the hazards of these chemicals to workers, and provide the materials, personal protective equipment, and work practices necessary to keep safe. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration implemented 29 CFR 1910.1200, which regulates the communication of chemical hazards in the workplace. The title of this rule is Hazard Communication, but it is frequently referred to as the Right to Know. OSHA has aligned its rules with the Global Harmonized System for Classification and Labeling of Chemicals. This system is commonly referred to as GHS, and it applies to the format of safety data sheets, and the labeling methods for chemical shipping containers. Acute effects from exposure happen immediately. Vomiting, burning, and coughing are all examples of acute exposure. Chronic effects happen over a long period of time, and are often more difficult to detect. Cancer, emphysema, and hearing loss are examples of chronic effects. Section 5 contains the necessary firefighting information. This includes proper extinguishing agents, hazards from a chemical fire, and special PPE required for firefighters. First responders and designated firefighting brigades should be familiar with the requirements of this section. They must include the product identifier, the signal word, which is danger or caution, the hazard statement, precautionary statements, pictograms, and the responsible party contact information.